Okay, so today with me, I have it had some weird name. Bieber, I think, smart virtual ear cleaner, visible ear cleaner. It's the R1 model, so yeah. I've been seeing a lot of these on TikTok, so I thought might as well give it a try. Okay, there is just the the regular user guide. So here it is. Here's our ear cleaner. Looks cheap. Micro USB and another cleaning bit. Just gonna turn this around. Okay. I'm just gonna download the app. Okay, so here's the app. So I guess first things first, let's turn this on by pushing the button. Okay. And then it's flashing and there's a light. It says tap to go on Wi-Fi. Got it. Go to the Wi-Fi settings. Okay, Wi-Fi settings, got it. Wi-Fi settings. Bird 1. Bieber, yeah, I said it right. R1 model. 30-minute runtime. Oh, start. Oh. Okay, let's see. There's vertical. Okay. Oh, my ears are so eerie. I don't see any gunk though. Oh, I see a little bit dryness. Oh my god, it's so weird. Oh, there it is. You guys see it right there? No. Oh my god. Things literally... You guys see that in the corner? You guys see how the battery's dropping in the corner? That's so weird. Yeah, it's kind of hard to scoop anything. Okay. Well, I'm going to switch the modes to... I'm not going to be taking any pictures, but I'm going to switch the ear button. Let me just switch some hands. Oh, this one's got some stuff in it, so you guys can see. Almost got it. I don't know where it went. I don't know, I don't want to go too deep because it's sketchy. Oh, I got something. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys without the scooper. Because I know my ears are dirty, but I don't think it's hard to see with the little scooper thing on. Oh, you guys see it right there? Ew. Oh, that's a lot. There's my eardrum. Ew. I'll tell you one thing. Sorry. The little scooper thing, without it, the thing's so like warm. It feels so warm. Yeah, it's super warm. I'm gonna try to scoop that. So, time lapse. Okay, I'm not gonna scoop that. No, I think that's too deep. You see it though. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below some more TikTok items, and then I can test them out for you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.